Hi friends, welcome back to Bharan Creations. How are you all doing? So I'm back after a very long gap. So I couldn't upload videos due to various reasons and different commitments. So finally I'm back. So let's start to put this embroidery basic stitch, and let's put a flower using this. So here first I have taken 6 strands of thread, and so I have put the thread like this in the needle, and then here at the end I have put a knot. So first let's do this stem. So for this I am doing stem stitch. So the easy technique, this one. So so first insert the thread from below, then insert it down, leaving some gap on the top, and then pull it up from the center. So pull it in right direction, I mean in one direction, so the stem comes straight. First put a big chain stitch like this, insert it down, then insert it from below, then put one more chain stitch a bit smaller in length, and then insert it down. Then here put one more chain stitch a bit smaller in length. See, like this. And then secure it with a knot below. So this is done. Now let's cover the floral part. So here again I have taken 6 strands of thread, single line, and have put a knot here. So now let's do this flower. So first insert the needle from below and put a normal stitch like this, and then one on the top. Like this. Take the thread from below. So now insert the thread like this once, and then in the below stitch once, then twice, and then thrice. And then insert it down and put one more stitch like this, and then one on the top. So here insert twice, and then thrice. Now insert it below. So let's repeat it once more. So insert it from below like this. Secure it with a normal stitch. Then one more here, normal stitch on the top. Thrice. So, and then insert it below down, and at the back secure it with a knot. Just spread it like this as much as you can. So this easy embroidery flower is ready. It is very easy to put. You can try this on, and let me know in the comments how did you feel doing this one. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and leave your valuable comments below. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and let us reach 10K soon, and hit bell icon to get notified. Have a nice day. Bye.